Okay, so in this part of the module, we're going to talk about the other two types of non-experimental research design, diba? You can do correlation design or causal comparative design, research design. So let's first talk about correlation research. So from the word itself, correlation, co, two or more variables are, we're looking if two or more variables have a relationship with each other. So we want to discover kung meron ba o walang relationship yung dalawang variable na yon. And if possible, we want to measure how much they are related. Strong ba, weak ba, o moderate lang yung kanilang relationship. So, pwede kasing positive, magkaroon sila ng positive correlation. Ibig sabihin, if tumataas or mataas yung variable A, we can predict that variable B will also be higher. If negative correlation yung mahanap natin, if this is low, this will be high. Or if this is high, this will be low. Variable B will be low. O pwede din namang zero correlation. Yun nga. Diba? Pwede kasing wala silang relationship. And then, to measure as well. So, they can have strong relationship. Diba? Weak relationship. And moderate lang pala yung kanilang relationship. Ibig sabihin ng strong relationship, there's a high chance that if variable A is high, it will also cause variable B to be high if we're talking about positive correlation. Okay? Let's put it in the context of this study. A study on the relationship of high school grade point average or GenAve or GWA, kumbaga, to students' success in college. So, in this research, titingnan nung mag-aaral kung may kaugnayan ba ang naging grade ng bata noong high school sa kanyang magiging performance noong college or sa college. Tandaan natin na dahil non-experimental research ito, wala tayong minamanipulate na variable, di ba? Ibig sabihin, nangyari na. Ito mga variables na susukatin natin. Ibig sabihin, ang ating mga respondents ay tapos na ng college. So, alamin lang natin, ano naging average nila noong high school, senior high, halimbawa, ano naging performance nila ng college? What was their grade? Did they graduate with Latin honor? For example, did they graduate on time? Okay, already happened. Also, there is no such thing as perfect correlation. Halimbawa, nakakuha tayo ng, okay, may positive relationship or relationship yung dalawang variable. We cannot say for sure na yung isang bata na mataas yung grade ng high school, magiging maganda din yung performance niya sa college. Kasi remember, there are other variables that might be at work. Siguro, na-distract siya, di ba? Nakajowa siya or something like that. Or nagkaroon siya ng family problem. So that definitely affected or will affect his or her performance in college. Not saying na pag nagka-jowa, negative effects sa pag-aaral. Disclaimer. Okay. There's another important concept that I want you to know. Correlation does not equal causation. In other words, hindi ibig sabihin na may relationship yung dalawang variable. Halimbawa, yung variable A and B ay ibig sabihin yung variable A na ang dahilan ng variable B. In our previous example, ibig sabihin nito, hindi dahil may relationship yung grade niya ng high school sa grade niya sa college, it doesn't mean na kaya siya naging successful noong college ay dahil mataas yung grade niya ng high school. Okay? Dahil may relationship sila, hindi ibig sabihin na meron silang cause and effect relationship. Okay? Ibig sabihin lang nun, they can predict, one variable can predict the other. But it doesn't mean na nangyari yung variable E dahil sa variable B dahil sa variable A. Okay? O, tingnan natin siya dito. Mas maganda dito sa example. A study on the relationship of the number of hours students spent studying independently and their score on the unit test. Ibig sabihin, gano'ng katagal ka daw nag-aral, ito ba ay may kaugnayan sa magiging score mo sa test. Okay? So, sige, sabihin natin na pag matagal ka nag-aral, mas mataas yung grades mo. Diba? But it doesn't automatically mean na mangyayari yon at all times. Kasi there are other variables at work. Halimbawa, matagal ka nga nag-aaral, pero dahil pala lagi mo sinisingitan ng Facebook, di ba? Distracted ka habang nag-aaral, kaya nagtagal. It also depends pala on the quality of your studying. Okay? So, it doesn't mean na ikaw, kapag nagpuyat ka, kasi matagal ka nag-aaral, you will get a high score. No po, it doesn't. Correlation does not equal causation. Okay? O, halimbawa, itong estudyante, nakakuha siya ng marka kahit na, mabilis lang siya nag-aral dahil focus pala siya. At saka dahil nakikinig pala siya sa klase. So, hindi na niya kailangan ng matagal na review. So, definitely, yung kanyang high score ay hindi epekto ng kanyang mahabang pag-aaral. Or in his case, maikli. Okay? So, hindi tayo pwedeng halimbawa, gusto nyo maggawa ng correlation research, tapos nagkaroon kayo ng conclusion na there's a positive relationship between variable A and B. Hindi kayo pwedeng magkaroon ng conclusion na, okay, variable B is caused by variable A. Or variable B is the effect of variable A. So, wala po tayong ganong conclusion na dapat gawin. Also, dahil non-experimental research to, kaya lang nating i-predict, gamitin yung ating result ng study for prediction purposes. Kumbaga, hindi siya taga sa bato. Hindi siya magiging batas na kapag yung isang bata nag-aral lang matagal, for sure, magiging mataas na yung grade niya sa test. We cannot make that sort of definitive conclusion. Kasi again, in non-experimental research, hindi tayo nag-control ng variables. There are a lot of extraneous variables at play. Okay? Pero useful siya for prediction. O halimbawa, yung study na to, pwede siyang gamitin ng mga diba? Sa college admission or saka sa scholarship. So, syempre, yung mga nagbibigay ng scholarship for college, titingnan niya ngayon. Pwede siya mag-base sa study mo. Ay, nakita ng study na to na pag mataas yung grade ng bata sa high school, he or she will perform well in college. So, ito yung bigyan natin ng scholarship, yung mga student na ganun, mataas ang grade. Okay? Yung mga magbibigay ng scholarship, they have confidence na gawin yon because of the study. But, of course, there are many things na pwedeng mangyari along the way, diba? But, at least we have a way to predict the behavior of the student.